Hey, this is Pierre Delacote talking. I just want to share a use case that I think can be very valuable when you're working with different teams and you try to create a document with different resources, and those resources are, updated pretty often, which is my case here. Here, I'm going to ask some people to help me to answer some questions regarding GCCI. I'm going to ask other specialists to help me to define the GCCH limitations. I already created a table on both sides. So I send an email and I create a loop. And I inserted the loop here by copying the component and pasting it in a Word document. So the Word document is actually aggregating all the loops, both loops here. So you can see there's the first table and the second table here. And you can even see that I'm working both. So that way you can send an email with a loop component to some people and ask them just to work there. Send another email with another loop component and ask people just to focus here. And then you can aggregate everything in another document without even them knowing it. So it's better. You could ask them to go in the Word document, do the work in the Word document. They will see a lot of things and they might not know where to focus. Here, you ask them to focus on the loop component. So that's pretty powerful. And the only drawback with this is you have to do everything in a browser. So it's Outlook for the web and Word for the web. But it's pretty powerful because here I can just copy the component, and how you insert a loop component, you just have to go in the three little dots somewhere, and you should see loop component, and you decide which loop component. I took a table. By the way, I copy paste actually an Excel table into it, so it was pretty simple for me to do it because I already started the document in Excel, and I just had to paste it, and you can see there were links also. So now, when somebody is focusing on this first email, modifying this list, um, they can easily come here and so in and you know add something new or something, modify something, or so. Let me see what I can add here. So I'm gonna go there because I know that there's a section I don't have. So I'm gonna add a new line. I'm gonna call it Power Platform, and at the same time I want to show you that in my Word document, I'm going down. I shall see my no, that was not the good one. That was the first table. Oops. So here I can see that my new line is here. So need to be migrated by Microsoft. Signing an agreement. I think that's a process. Users have to relink their apps to new tenant. So I answer directly in email, and everything is modified in my Word document. And so I have a full Word document. The only problem with that, it's a component embedded, so it might not work. We can look at what it looks like in Word. So let's close this and let's open it in Word. I think I open it in Word. and you see that I just have an image. So really you need to open the document in the web. So what I do here is I copy the link, and there might be a faster way to do it, but then I open a browser, paste my link, and it will open the document, and I will see the component, which then I can modify directly in Word too. So if I wanted to modify things here, it will modify it in the email. So that's a good way. Unfortunately, it's not there yet in Word for desktop. So if you want to share that with finally with a customer, there's something that is missing. So I hope they will come soon, or if we can at one point when the document is final say convert it in plain text or something. That's the only limitation I see, but for internal needs, it's pretty useful. Hope this was helpful for you, useful for you.